Thank you.
Shit. John.
Here.
Come here.
Duffel bag.
Go look in that bag. Pick it up.
Just fold it.
Yeah, there's like hundreds, if not thousands in it.
Yep. Let's call it VHS.
Were you just inside? Were you inside the store?
No.
Hey, question for you. Was that guy in the store?
Yeah,
Where was he in the store?
that's where we're checking it right now. We just started looking at this, but so he was by the gift cards.
Okay.
They told me he walked around the whole store.
Yeah.
Did like a whole walk around, and then he went by the gift cards. I think my coworker Greg just like stared at him while he was looking at them. He said he didn't see him do anything with the gift cards, but then the guy just walked out. And that's when.
Okay, so we have the guy detained outside right now.
Yeah.
He went to the Grafton Walgreens.
I was on the phone with the manager and he's like describing what he looks like, and I'm like, wait, he's here.
He placed gift cards in the store.
Yeah, so that's why I was checking my cameras to see.
Yeah, that's been the new thing lately. Apparently, it's people putting
Yeah,
gift
we
cards
know
in
we
the
have
store.
customers
They,
come back pissed off, obviously,
yeah, or
because
something.
they do such a good job. You never catch anyone, so this is so exciting.
Yeah. Are you able to see on the cameras
That's what I
if he puts any gift cards out?
It's gonna be hard. I can ask my front cashier too.
Okay.
I was just
So, because that's what they had on camera in Grafton, is that he's like taking gift cards and putting them out.
yeah, he was definitely down that aisle when
Yeah.
I sent people looking to see. I think he thought I was suspicious.
I mean, he's outside right now. I stopped him before he left, so.
I know. I saw. We were watching the camera, and I saw you pull up. Yes, I called Grafton. I'm like, we got him.
Yeah. All right, we'll get it figured out. Is there any way to know what like numbers you guys already have here?
No, and they're sneak. Like they do such a good job. I can call Grafton and see which ones were tampered with.
Okay. Yeah.
But they do such a great job. It's ridiculous.
Just get some.
Do you have any? Do you know what kind of cards they tampered with before I tear these all up? Can you send me a picture of which kind so I can look at mine?
No, they're just tampering with the ones that are already here. Or they're putting new ones out.
So I'm hoping he has some in his cart because they take them home, tamper them, and then bring them back tampered with. And then we just get the fallout from the customer that's pissed off. So they take a razor blade and they slice them open.
Yeah.
And then they glue it back.
Interesting. Where were you right before this, as in within the last hour?
Go。你说什么东西我听不懂，警官先生。
Did you make any other stops at any other businesses recently?
No，
Where was the last place that you stopped?
我开车过来，在另外地方过来玩的，我也不知道在哪里。
Okay.
Who's say?
I asked him if like he went anywhere else besides here. He said he was in Chicago, and then he said that I asked, "Did you stop anywhere else in the last hour?" He said, "I went somewhere. I don't know where it was." Explain this to me.
Okay.
How it
So
works.
I come in, I put a tampered gift card. You
Yeah.
come in as a customer, you buy this gift card.
Yeah.
This $100 is now in my pocket, and you are out $100.
How do you just steal the gift card to start?
Yeah, they come in, they steal the gift cards.
Okay.
They go home, they tamper them.
Okay. So these aren't loadable amounts. There's already money. Like these are if you buy them, there's only one value with these ones, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Ones you're looking
I
at.
I don't know if they've tampered the ones. I don't think they do those because it would be low money, potentially.
Okay. So we're looking at like $1,500 each if we can figure out which ones are tampered.
Yeah, but like I've had 2 cases in my store in the last month of tampered gift cards.
Yeah.
Hi.
Did you guys do like the reboot thing with your gift cards?
Like the reset?
The reset?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they just pulled off all the ones that are open.
Some that looks potentially weird. Was this one of the ones?
That was one of them, yeah.
Yeah, this one actually has a fingerprint on it.
Yeah,
When I
and like
rebooted it.
most of them didn't have that new update. Most of them were the old ones with the like tags at the top.
So something they pulled off.
We thought looked weird.
Every few of them there is
So what's pulled off on them?
tags thing.
Like the tags.
Oh, that
And then,
like silver part?
sometimes,
Yeah.
like that pin number will be scratched off.
Okay.
And like these are the updated ones that have the red part, but then like the older one doesn't have this red part and it has like a tab that you peel off.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't get back.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Gift card scams.
Oh no.
Suck. Don't buy gift cards right now.
Well, I'm not.
Give someone cash. Give them a check. Give them a hug. And don't buy them a gift card.
No.
So,
All of those?
the thing that's happening lately is using the new gift cards, those are the old ones.
Yeah.
People will take the old ones and they'll grab the numbers from them. And then they'll stick them, they'll come here and they'll stick them back on the shelf. And then when you load the money on them, it'll download and they'll just get the money right away.
And the one I'm giving you to won't get the money.
No, it'll have nothing on it. It's like a minute of them activating it.
Oh.
So,
Oh, thank you for coming.
yeah. Alright.
The duffel bag there and duffel bag there.
He stuffed that down in there. Just now too.
Oh, perfect.
That was
All of you step out and face vehicle. We'll hang on to this. Yep, that's okay. We'll put it right here just for a minute. You put your hands up. All right, ma'am. Thank you so much for your service.
He
I have plain view.
oh, and he stuffed that duffel bag down since we got here.
Take care. All of you come over with me to my car.
Nice.
No, mine.
Good work.
We'll get it. Right over here, sir.
Would you be able to add him to the call, please? Thank you.
Shit. John,
Here.
come here.
You got her phone yet?
Yeah.
Let's take a picture of his ID. Just double bag.
Go look in that bag. Pick it up.
Just fold it.
Yeah, there's like hundreds, if not thousands in it.
Yep. Let's call it DHS. Wait, can we go over and open it up and go? You didn't do anything? You didn't do anything? And then just close it and walk away? No? Is that nothing? That's a pretty good scam.
This back one's full too.
How did this start? It came out of Grafton?
Yeah,
Yeah, they had them on.
they saw him doing it in Grafton.
So we can get a contact for DHS. So we have to. You're seeing how you got more.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to do photos where everything is.
Draft's taking all the evidence from the car.
Okay.
Suspect would be
Should we get you your paperwork yet?
Nope. So,
And heavy.
Like 40 pounds?
At least.
You should go over with her name.
Holy shit.
In total, he had 1,807 gift cards in his possession. The cards ranged from values of $10 to $500. He was charged with 3 counts of uttering a forgery, 3 counts of unauthorized use of an entity's identifying information or documents, and 1 count of financial transaction card, forgery.
All right, step out. Good. All right. Come on over here with me.
I have your property here, okay?
Come on in.